welcome back to our channel. One more day to Christmas and here the holiday season comes with a lot of family fun, food and shopping. Today I am not gonna do any review or tutorial videos because today's video is a greeting video plus a thank you video from our channel to all our viewers and subscribers. It's been 4 months since we posted our first video. Throughout our journey and growth on YouTube, we would really like to thank all of our viewers and subscribers to make us reach at a subscriber count of almost 300 and a combined view of 100,000 views. Guys, it was really not possible without your support. I'm your host Priyank, whom you hear while I do review videos about various tech, tutorials and Fitbit Versa videos. I would personally like to thank all of you for your support and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Keep viewing our content and make sure you help us grow by subscribing to our channel.
I'm your host Vidya. You guys hear my voice on the cooking and review videos I do on this channel. I would also like to thank you for your support and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Our goal for 2019 is to post more exciting content consistently and grow our YouTube channel substantially. Help us reach our goal with your continued support by regularly viewing our content and subscribing to our channel. We will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and enjoy the holidays.